How to log in into Zenefits employee account. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this quick tutorial, I'll guide you through the step on how to log in into Zenefits employee account. As Zenefits is an all-in-one HR platform that simplifies managing employee benefits, payroll and HR. Today in this video, we are going to log in into your Zenefits account. So let's get started. First of all, open your preferred web browser on your computer or mobile device. In the address bar, type in zenefits.com and press enter. Click on the login button at the top right corner of the home page. On the login page, enter your email address associated with your Zenefits account. Enter your Zenefits password. If your company has two-factor authentication enabled, you may be prompted to enter the code sent to your phone or email. After entering your credentials and completing any necessary two-factor authentication, click on the login button. You will be directed to your Zenefits dashboard where you can access your employee information, pay slips, benefits and more. And that's it. You have successfully logged in into your Zenefits employee account. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more tutorials like this. See you in the next video.